Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to solve this query. So this is a series where I solve queries and walk you through the solution of the queries so that it will help you in solving any sort of query put in front of you. So let's see what is the question. Query the name of students who scored higher than 75 marks. Order your output by the last 3 characters of each name. If 2 or more students both have names ending in the same last 3 characters, that is Kavya and Navya, as you can see the last 3 digits VYA, last 3 digits are same. So secondary sort them by ascending ID. So let's go one by one. So the first part is query the name of students. So this means we have to print only the students. So I'm going to write select name. We have to only query the name of the student. So select name from whatever table it is. From table suppose students. Now see, this is the basic table I have drawn over here. So it has three columns: ID, name, marks. So ID and name. Name can be anything. Alia, Natasha, and these are the marks. These are the scores they have. I have to print the ones where the student has scored. I have to print the names of the students who score greater than 75. So I have to use the where clause over here. Where marks is greater than 75. I think this is, so far it is simple because we have to query the name of the students who scored higher than 75 marks. That I have done. Now we have to order your output by the last 3 characters. Now whenever you have to order your solution in any order, be it ascending or descending, we use order by. So order by. Now what are we supposed to order by? By the last 3 characters of each name. Now they have written last 3 characters. So basically we don't want the entire name. We have to take a substring. We have to take substring of this. So we are going to use substring over here. Substring. And what do we write inside? As you know, the syntax for substring, the syntax for substring is first field is string, second is start, the starting index, and third is length. If you want to understand in depth about substring, I have a video on this, so do check that out. So now what is my string? So I'm going to write my column name over here, which is name. Now I have to give the starting string. Now as you know, the starting index starts from 1, 2, 3 if you're going from left to right. But my question is that I have to output it by the last 3 characters. So from behind, I have to go from behind. So if you know, from behind the index is like this: -1, -2, -3, -4, like this. So my starting index is going to be -3. Because I have to check the last 3. I have to take I want the substring. Okay, and the substring will start from the last third index. And the length is going to be 3. So this is order by substring. Now in case it is same, I have to add a secondary sort for it. So I'm just going to put a comma over here and I'm going to write ID. Sort them by ascending ID. Now ID over here. Now they have written that we have to order it by ascending order. As we know that order by is by default ascending. So you don't have to write. Now for example, your question would have been that you have to order it by descending order, then you have to write like this. But our question is ascending order, so you can ignore it. By default it is ascending only. You can also write ASC if you want to, but by default it is ascending, so it is not necessary. So this is the solution. Select name because we have to print the name from whatever table. Where marks is greater than 75 because they want to print the students whose score is greater than 75, and we have to order them, and order them. So this will take the last 3. This will take the substring, and it will this part will give the last three characters as output. So I will order it by those 3, and in case the last 3 characters are same like this, I will have a secondary sort for it, which is ID. So I think this is clear, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.